Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very useful feature in the Zoom app, which is how to turn on the noise removal option. This feature is very helpful if you have background noise during meetings, online classes, or calls. It helps to automatically reduce unwanted sounds so your voice sounds more clear and professional. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store on your device and search for Zoom in the search bar. Make sure that your Zoom app is updated to the latest version. If you see an update option, simply tap on it and wait for the app to finish updating. This is important because the latest features and audio improvements only work in updated versions. Once your app is updated, open the Zoom app. After opening it, you will see the main screen. Now go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. This will open your account menu. From here, tap on Settings. Inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Audio. Now here you will see different audio-related options. Look for the option called Noise Removal or Background Noise Suppression. To enable it, simply turn the toggle on. Once you activate it, Zoom will automatically reduce background noise such as fans, traffic, keyboard typing, or any unwanted sound during your calls. This makes your voice much clearer for the other person. And that's it. You have successfully turned on noise removal in Zoom. Now your meetings and calls will sound much cleaner, smoother, and more professional. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.